Hey guys, I'm going to be singing the song Freak the Freak Out from Victoria Justice, and I hope you love it, like it, hate it, whatever. Just watch it. I listen and hear me talk, hear me sing. Open up the door, the lights as I'm open. Allow me to be there. I hear there is something I should know. Easy come, easy go. Not in your life, and hearing what I say. Just communicate when you wait, when you're late. I try to talk to you, but you never even me. So what's it gonna be? Time to tell you, hear me. Oh, so sick of it, attention, and you never listen, you never listen. Oh, so sick of it, feeling good enough, but you never listen, you never listen. Oh, say your name, let's take the time. Oh, scream and shout. So what I'm gonna do now is freak the freak out. I brought it off the stone here. Patience gonna come again. Tell me what I did, opposite. Tell me what I do, is it fake, does it heal? Open up the door, everything, so I'm here. Hit me in the dark, are you leaving to me? I need someone else about me, gotta know. What am I gonna do, cause it's so difficult for you? So what's it gonna be? Tell me, can you hear me? Oh, so sick of it, attention, I was never listen, never listen. I'm so sick of it, so tired of it, never listen, never listen. I cry, and I say the same. Oh, scream and shout. So what I'm gonna do now is freak the freak out. Easy come, easy go. Easy come, easy go. All I do is win. Oh, say your name, but I stay the same. Oh, say the shout. So what I'm gonna do now is freak the freak out. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, remember when I showed you this? All I do is win, no matter what. Got money on my mind, but I never give it up. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And I stay there, and I stay there, and I stay there, up, down, up, down, up, down. Cause all I do is win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make me stay there. I love that song.